Hi, I'm West Gary.
And I'm Vermont Johnson.
And we're very excited to tell you today about our Greenaction program and our partnership with the EPA's Design for the Environment program. I'd like to begin our discussion of Momar's role in the green movement by sharing with you something I read recently. Governments and private companies are buying green because it results in a number of benefits, not just because they think it's the right thing to do. They are finding that green procurement policies reduce overall cost, offer significant opportunities to use materials, resources, and energy more effectively, and they improve employee health. We've found the same to be true during surveys we've conducted of our own Greenaction customers. So as we begin our presentation today, I think this is the real overall goal of all of our customers: to reduce overall cost, to use materials, resources, and energy more effectively, and to improve employee health in the process. Interestingly enough, those were the exact same goals we set for ourselves when Momar's role in the green movement began in 2001. 2001 marked the beginning of Momar's Green Initiative with the formation of the Greenaction Product Development Committee. Initially there was a lot of confusion because there was no official definition of green and there was no national standard in which to meet. After a 2-year exhaustive research into green certification options and after analyzing self-certification, Green Seal, Eco-Logo, and the United States Environmental Protection Agency's Design for the Environment program, Momar decided to join with the EPA Design for the Environment program, and we initiated our partnership.
We found the DFE to be distinct from all other eco-labeling programs because of the manner and depth of their product review. When you see the DFE logo on a product, it means that the DFE has screened each ingredient in that product for potential human health and environmental effects. Based on currently available information, predictive models, and expert judgment, the product contains only those ingredients that pose the least concern among chemicals in their class. The review is much more in-depth than any other agency we found. It even includes ingredients in proprietary raw material blends which manufacturers share with the DFE in confidentiality. Basically, the DFE looks at everything going into a formulation and everything that may come out during use and disposal. Listed are the 27 categories included in the EPA's extensive review process. As you can see, they leave no stone unturned. The DFE's review of chemical attributes takes into consideration not only their effect on the general human health and the environment, but specific populations that are especially sensitive to toxins in the environment. These sensitive populations include small children, pregnant women, the elderly, people with asthma, and even people with various skin conditions and sensitivities.
It's no wonder why in their relatively short 10-year existence, the EPA DFEs already got the backing of several states, including New Jersey, Oregon, Colorado, Washington, Utah, Illinois, and Hawaii. And they're currently in talks with more than 24 other states. And it's not just states who are starting to recognize DFE as the leader. Presidential Executive Order 13101, titled Greening the Government, recognizes DFE certified products. Many government facilities, including all EPA facilities, give preference to DFE certified products in their procurement standards. And retailers are supporting the EPA DFE too. In fact, the Home Depot, which is based in our hometown of Atlanta, has developed their Eco Options group, which recommends using DFE certified products to reduce household hazardous waste.
Momar was one of the first chemical companies to form a partnership with the EPA, and after a 3.5-year extensive evaluation, our Greenaction product line earned the DFE seal of approval. Our partnership that began in 2003 was formalized in 2006, and 12 Greenaction products now carry the EPA DFE seal. In early 2007, less than 1 year after the formalization of our partnership with the EPA DFE, we received the following letter from the EPA commending Momar for leading change in the cleaning industry, demonstrating active environmental stewardship and dedication to continuous improvement, and developing products that fully achieve environmental objectives in the institutional cleaning sector.
Momar has been watching the green movement ever since it was just a mere ripple. We've seen green come and go several times over the years, and I think the reason green is here to stay this time is because the technology has finally caught up with consumer expectations. I know that is the case at least with green cleaning products. In the past, green cleaners just didn't work, and if they did, they cost a fortune. That is definitely not the case today. Today's green cleaning products often outperform the best conventional products, and they do so at a reduced cost to the consumer. And those are really the first two myths that I want to dispel today. The most common misconceptions are that green products don't work and that they cost more to use. Well, we guarantee that the Greenaction products we manufacture are of high performance. When Momar started down the green path in 2001, we understood that our green initiatives would only prevail if our green products worked and worked well. So we designed Greenaction products with performance in mind. But don't take our word for it. That's why we chose to have our products reviewed and certified by the EPA DFE. Unlike other green certification agencies, the EPA DFE subjects all submitted products to a series of standardized and side-by-side tests. In Momar's field trials and in the EPA DFE's review, only formulations that performed as well or better than conventional cleaners met the DFE criteria and proudly bear the Momar Greenaction logo.
But it's a tricky balance to formulate products that work and are also safe to human health and the environment. With the EPA's help through our DFE partnership, we were able to actually exceed the DFE requirements. We raised the bar when we set our stringent Greenaction formulary conditions.
But the real question is, how does all this relate to the end user? All the science and testing that went into the creation of the Greenaction products can be summarized by looking at the four main user benefits. To protect the environment, all Greenaction products utilize ingredients with more positive attributes than those in conventional cleaning products, such as biodegradable surfactants, sequestrants and builders that do not persist in the environment, non-hazardous solvents, and other components with a more positive environmental profile.
To ensure worker health and safety, Greenaction products are formulated without chlorine, ammonium, caustics, and other chemicals that pose health hazards. We know that our institutional customers especially are using our products day in and day out, so all of our products are low VOC, have a mild pH, and are non-flammable. Because our products are used in so many schools and nurseries, Greenaction products have been screened by the DFE for endocrine system effects, respiratory sensitization, reproductive toxins, and the list goes on. These are chemical attributes that other certification organizations only started to include in their review after the DFE raised the green certification bar and emerged as the green standard.
Product attributes like mild pH, no chlorine bleach, and no harsh solvents not only decrease potential risk to workers, but also significantly reduce wear and tear on substrates, fabrics, and other surfaces with which products come in contact, thereby extending their usable life. Conservation is the name of the game, and if our products can extend the life of a resilient tile floor, carpeting, desk, counters, and other surfaces, then the cost savings of going green over the long haul is remarkable. Momar acts as a product steward by providing our customers information on environmental and worker safety matters. We do this through our website, www.momar.com/greenaction, as well as monthly newsletters. Additionally, Momar trains its sales force, who in turn train our customers on the benefits of formulations with improved environmental and health characteristics.
We've talked in depth about our approach and our certifications, and now I'll touch briefly on the products and their individual features. There are 12 Greenaction products in all, with a lot more in development. Our Brute Vehicle Wash is outstanding. While we designed it for use on all types of vehicles, we've actually had several DOTs and paving companies tell us that they've never found anything that worked better removing asphalt and tar from their paving equipment. They're actually replacing harsh solvents with Brute and getting better performance. Dash is specifically designed for cleaning all kitchen and cafeteria surfaces. It is one of 4 Greenaction products that contains active oxygen for color-safe bleaching and deodorizing.
Envision is specifically designed for cleaning all hard flooring surfaces, such as vinyl tiles, terrazzo, slate, quarry tile, ceramic tile, concrete, wood, marble, etc. While other neutral floor cleaners can leave behind sticky surfaces that increase the resoiling rate by attracting dirt back to the flooring surface, Envision dries residue-free, reducing the resoiling rate, keeping floors cleaner longer. Of course, it's safe to use in floor scrubbers too. Green Heat is designed for cleaning any soil from any hard surface. It can be diluted 1 to 10 for heavy duty, 1 to 32 for medium duty, and 1 to 64 for light duty cleaning.
Lucent is the Greenaction glass cleaner, and it is the first of 3 Greenaction products that are available in ready-to-use or concentrated form. A lot of people think a glass cleaner is just a glass cleaner, but Lucent is not your average glass cleaner. There is an extraordinary amount of technology packed into the product. Try creating a high-performance glass cleaner with low VOCs that is also fast-drying and non-flammable without using ammonia or any toxic chemicals. We're very proud of Lucent because it sets the standard when it comes to what glass cleaners are capable of. For customers who want one product that can do it all, we developed Neutrox. Neutrox can be diluted 1 to 128 for cleaning floors and glass, 1 to 64 in carpet extractors and pressure washers, 1 to 32 for all surface spray and wipe cleaning, and 1 to 9 for heavy-duty cleaning and carpet spot removal. Because it contains active oxygen, it provides color-safe bleaching and deodorizing during all cleaning processes.
Oomph is the Greenaction carpet cleaner, and like Lucent, Oomph is also available in ready-to-use and concentrated forms. Oomph can replace 5 other carpet cleaning products. It's perfect for spot removal on carpets and upholstery. It works great in extractors. It even works in bonnets and shampoo machines. And because it's green, it doesn't contain the harsh solvents that remove the manufacturer-applied stain-resistant coatings. Respond is the Greenaction restroom cleaner. Respond is formulated to replace harsh acid cleaners and safely, effectively clean virtually every surface in a restroom without any odors or any fumes. Respond is available in ready-to-use and concentrated forms, and while it is primarily used in restrooms, it's also great on chrome, diamond plate, stainless steel, and other metal surfaces. In fact, we've got several fire stations that are using Respond to remove hard water stains from their fire trucks and to restore luster and shine to their chrome and diamond plate.
And last, but definitely not least, is Vigor, my personal favorite of all the Greenaction products. Vigor is safe on all hard surfaces, but is especially designed for cleaning exterior surfaces such as roofs, walls, concrete floors, siding, decking, parking decks, and the list goes on. But cleaning is not the end of Greenaction. In fact, it is only the beginning of our commitment to the environment. We have nearly a dozen formulations in the review phase of the DFE certification process right now. Tough as Nails green floor coating is zinc-free, butyl-free, non-yellowing, and reduces or eliminates stripping altogether.
Our Zero floor stripper works on all conventional metal interlocking floor finishes, as well as environmentally preferable zinc-free floor finishes, like our Tough as Nails green. Our Zilch green deodorizer encapsulates odors permanently, without the use of masking agents or fragrances. That's right, it's an odorless deodorizer, and its magic lies in a Venus flytrap-like molecule designed to change formation when it comes in contact with bad odor molecules, locking them inside irreversibly.
Sunup Green Dish Detergent is the first detergent that can differentiate between the grease and grime on pots and pans and the natural oils in your skin. This results in spotless dishes without skin dryness or irritation. And the list of green products currently in development at Momar goes on and on.
As we continue to create green products, we can't stress to our customers enough that to truly go green, you can't just buy some green products and stop there. It's important to make sure that the products are used correctly. We can help there too. We have fully incorporated a proportioning dispensing system into our Greenaction program. A system that gives you control over product dilution, control over product usage, and as a result, control over product cost. Our Mixmaster color-coded multi-product proportioning and dispensing system makes using economical concentrates as easy and convenient as using costly ready-to-use products. At the turn of a dial and the push of a button, used solutions are literally on tap. Mixmaster proportioners make it all possible by mixing the exact ratio of product with water and dispensing it quickly into bottles, extractors, mop buckets, floor machines, etc. To learn more about our Mixmaster system, ask your Momar representative for a Mixmaster DVD, or go to momartv.com and watch our Mixmaster presentation.
If there's one point I hope that everybody gets and remembers about going green, it's this. Going green does not have to cost more. In fact, if you do it right, you'll actually save money. And Momar has the expertise, products, and equipment to help you do it right.
In fact, we'll make it easy by walking through the entire process. We've made it really simple to go green with our Greenaction playbook. How do you get started and do it right? We know that green is confusing. There's a lot of information out there about green right now, and it can be overwhelming to try to separate facts from fiction. So we've created the Greenaction playbook to take the guesswork and confusion out of going green. Our easy three-step approach is customized for each individual customer. All you have to do is provide us with your product MSDSs and a brief description about their application, and the Momar Greenaction Task Force will return to you a customized evaluation with clear and concise recommendations. Shown here is an example evaluation with product-by-product crossovers. Not only will we provide you with the proper crossovers, but we'll list the main benefits of making each transition. This report doesn't show it, but if you provide us with the price that you're paying, we'll factor that into the dilution rate or coverage rate of the product and include an estimation of your total savings. The Greenaction playbook makes it easy to improve your existing cleaning program, and the benefits are immediate. You get high-performance cleaning, a safer workplace, consolidate your inventory, reduce chemical exposure, significant cost savings, and reduce packaging waste. And for every customer who goes green using Momar's Greenaction products, we'll provide this Greenaction Facility Certificate, which is signed by us, as well as the EPA DFE's Program Director, Clive Davies. This certificate can be displayed in hallways or foyers so that everyone entering a facility will know that that facility is cleaned with green products.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation. For more information about our Greenaction product line, go to www.momar.com/greenaction.